from Lunar Lights, Deep Trinidad, and of course, Sponge Cola! As we celebrate the anniversary Riverbank Center show. So those are our performances that will truly make your night one to remember. So don't miss out this opportunity to see them live on stage. Once again, our show is open for everyone. You can just line up on the left side of the stage. Pwede po tayong pumasok. May ilan pa po tayong mga upuan. Because in a short run, I'm pretty much sure mauubos na po lahat ng yan. And of course, we'd also like to thank our sponsors, Jollibee, Seaboard Market, Mang Inasal, Tropical Hut, Bake On, Greenwich, Chowking, World Balance, Dunkin, and Gilligan's. Maraming salamat din po sa aming partners, Marikina B&P, DRRMO Marikina Rescue 16L, Marikina Bureau of Fire Protection, Marikina Urban Search and Rescue K9, and Talents Manila.